Imagine this: a conversation so electric, so magnetic, that she leans in closer, hanging on every word. Hours later, she's still replaying your voice in her mind, wondering what it is about you that leaves her wanting more. Most men fumble through shallow small talk, but not you. Not anymore. Today, you're going to learn how to use words that spark her curiosity, ignite her desire, and leave her captivated, without ever coming across as desperate or obvious. These powerful phrases aren't just your run-of-the-mill compliments. They're crafted to stir emotions, create undeniable chemistry, and spark playful tension. Master these, and you won't just hold her attention, you'll dominate her thoughts. Let's dive in. Number 1. There's something about the way you move. It's mesmerizing. This phrase is a mix of compliment and intrigue, and it's all about making her feel noticed in a way that's unique. Instead of focusing on appearance, you're acknowledging her presence and how she carries herself. Here's the key: timing. Say this when she's doing something natural, like tucking her hair behind her ear, walking with confidence, or laughing expressively. Use a calm, slightly low tone, as if you're caught in the moment. For example, she brushes her hair aside, and you say softly, "There's something about the way you move. It's mesmerizing." The mystery behind your words will make her wonder what else you've noticed about her. And if she asks, "What do you mean?" don't explain too much. Instead, let the intrigue linger with, "It's hard to explain. It's just the way you carry yourself." Number 2, I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need. This one introduces a playful push and pull dynamic. It frames her as exciting, a little risky, and totally irresistible. The best time to use this: when she surprises you, maybe with a witty comeback or a bold move. With a slight smirk and a playful tone, say, "I can't decide if you're trouble or exactly what I need." Then pause. Let her process the teasing tension. If she challenges you back, double down with, "I'm still figuring you out, but I have to admit, I'm intrigued." This keeps the energy alive and positions you as someone who's confident and fun to be around. Number 3, are you always this distracting, or is it just me? This phrase lightly flips the script, putting her in the spotlight as the one who has captivated you. It's playful, lighthearted, and subtly flirty. Imagine this: she's laughing or giving you that unmistakable look, and you lean in slightly, grin, and say, "Are you always this distracting, or is it just me?" She'll likely smile, laugh, or playfully protest. That's your cue to keep the playful energy flowing. This line works because it flatters her without making you seem overly infatuated. Number 4, you've got this way of making everything around you feel charged. This is for those quieter, more intimate moments when the energy is already simmering between you. It's not just about complimenting her, it's about attributing a magnetic energy to her presence. For example, during a pause in the conversation or when she's laughing at something you said, lean in slightly and say, "You have this way of making everything around you feel charged." Let the word charged hang in the air for a moment before finishing. The subtle pause adds weight to your words, making them feel deeply personal. Number 5, I don't think you're ready for someone like me. Confidence is irresistible, and this line delivers it in spades. It's a playful challenge that makes her wonder what makes you so different. Say this when she teases or challenges you, and pair it with a smirk. For example, "You've got this energy, but I'm not sure if you can handle mine." The mix of mystery and self-assurance will leave her intrigued and eager to prove you wrong. Number 6, the way you just looked at me, I could get used to that. This one is direct yet disarming. It's about capturing a moment of connection, like when she holds your gaze or gives you a coy smile. With a calm tone and a playful glint in your eye, say, "The way you just looked at me, I could get used to that." The focus shifts to her actions, making her feel like the one in control of the chemistry, while subtly inviting her to lean in further. Ready to try them out? These phrases aren't just words. They're a gateway to creating unforgettable chemistry. Use them wisely and watch how the dynamics shift, the tension builds, and the connection deepens. What are you waiting for? Try one tonight and see the magic for yourself.